Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. I also work as a theoretical economist, also as an operations researcher. My very first commercial software program was called Optimal Manager, published in 1982. It's an applied operations research and management science program of 47 program units, many sub-program units. And you can see on the screen here the program module menu: optimal product investment, product to manufacture, product distribution, and optimal product pricing and advertising. We've been doing one program unit a week here, and we're going to continue with that today. We're an optimal product manufacturer currently, so hit II, and we're going to do option number 6, optimal investment for machinery and labor. So hit 6. Would you like to see the program unit description? Yes. Incidentally, the original price for this package back in 1982 and for decades after that, it was $495. But because of the recent recession/depression, the COVID-19 situation, we've substantially reduced the price all the way down to $95, with the printed manual being separate now at $95. But you really don't need the printed manual because all the descriptions are given within the program units. So you just follow my YouTube screencasts here and you'll be okay. But we still have the printed manual in case you want it. Alright, so here's the description for optimal investment for machinery and labor. This program unit determines the quantity of machinery or capital and labor so as to maximize output within a given budget constraint. Use is made of the Cobb-Douglas function, which has the form Q equals A times the quantity K up to the AL power times L up to the BT power, where Q is production quantity, A is a scale factor, K is the number of units of machinery, AL is an exponent, L is the number of units of labor, and BT is an exponent. Budget constraint has the form of B equals PK times K plus PL times L, where B is the budget limit, PK is the price per unit of machinery, and PL is the price per unit of labor. The program unit inputs consist of A, AL, BT, PK, PL, and B. The program unit outputs consist of K, L, and Q, the equations for which are derived from the calculus. I want to continue? Yes, so hit C. And here we have a choice of loading in a sample file, which I will do. You can, of course, put in your own data when you get this. So, either edit, there's the title, optimal quantity of capital, labor. And this is for a product called widget number 999. Big deal. Put in your product's name there if you want. Budget limit is $100,000 for this job. Scale factor is 100. Machinery exponent 0.656. You're going to have to guess at the machinery and labor expense. You'll have to match it to your previous data. Labor exponent 0.434. Unit machinery costs $25 and unit labor costs $10.50. Remember, this is 1982, not 2021. So I'm going to hit A for accept. I'm going to hit C to compute. You could, of course, go back to screen 1 if you see something wrong, or you could save the data to another file number. We're just going to hit C. So the output is almost instantaneous. So go to screen only, screen length. And you can see here the program prints out all the input as well as the the optimal decision to take. So again, we have the production scale factor of 100. We have the machinery quantity exponent is 0.656. The labor quantity exponent is 0.434. The unit cost of machinery is $25. Unit cost of labor is $10.50. Budget limit is $100,000. So it's telling me here optimal number of units of machinery 2407.34. Of course, you could round that up or down. Optimal number of units of labor 3792.06. Optimal production quantity 590,907.94. Optimal machinery cost 60,183.48. Total labor cost $39,816.51. You can see they add up to about $100,000 right there. So the budget constraint has been met, and that's your optimal allocation between machinery and capital. Remember, you got to choose the exponents based on your own past experience. All right, E to exit. Back to the module menu. Again, we reduced the price of this program package all the way down to $95. You use the product once, it might pay for itself. So it's useful for a small business or department of a large corporation. We provide free email support for the program for the life of the program. So we don't charge for support. You can purchase the program either from transpowercorp.com, where you can find the full description of each program, or from amazon.com. At time of purchase, we provide you with a Dropbox download link, so you get the product shortly after you place the order. So even though it's 1982, the interface is still really, really nice. It's really, really easy to use. And as far as I know, there's still no product like this in all the world. Okay, thanks for your attention. Next week we'll continue with going through the Optimal Manager software package. Bye for now.